In the late 1990s, the highways of Texas and Oklahoma became the hunting grounds for a predator whose sinister double life shocked the nation. This is the story of William Lewis Reece, a construction worker whose facade of normalcy masked a trail of abduction and murder. Employed in the construction industry, Reece's work took him across various sites, providing the perfect cover for his dark pursuits. His transient lifestyle allowed him to operate undetected, leaving a path of devastation in his wake. Between 1997 and 1998, a series of young women disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Laura Smither, 12, vanished on April 3, 1997, while jogging near her home in Friendswood, Texas. Her body was discovered 17 days later in a retention pond. Kelli Cox, 20, disappeared on July 15, 1997, from Denton, Texas, after a visit to a local jail as part of a school trip. Her remains were found nearly 2 decades later. Tiffany Johnston, 19, abducted on July 26, 1997, from a car wash in Bethany, Oklahoma. Her body was found the next day in a nearby field. Jessica Cain, 17, last seen on August 17, 1997, after having dinner with friends in Lamarck, Texas. Her remains were recovered in 2016. Reece utilized his knowledge of remote areas and construction sites to dispose of his victims, often leaving little evidence behind. The breakthrough came when DNA evidence linked Reece to the murder of Tiffany Johnston. In 2021, Reece was convicted and sentenced to death for his crimes, bringing a measure of closure to the families of his victims. The case of William Lewis Reece serves as a chilling reminder of how individuals can exploit their professions to facilitate heinous crimes, leaving an indelible mark on communities and families.